Oh, the rhythm of life is a powerful beat. Puts a rhythm in your fingers and a rhythm in your feet. Rhythm on the inside, rhythm on the beach. And the rhythm of life is a powerful beat. Oh my gosh, the rhythm of life is such a powerful beat and such a wonderful resource for all of us for mindfulness and to become emotionally resilient. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're at beautiful Laguna Beach, enjoying the sun, the sand, and I want to invite you to just get comfortable for the next few minutes. Throw off your shoes, and in the power of your imagination, join me on the beach as we have a rhythm of life, natural sounds, mindfulness, breathing time together. So find yourself a comfortable spot, and as you're taking in those natural sounds of the ocean, the natural rhythms of nature, allow it to just synchronize with your exhale, and let your natural inhale come in, releasing your belly. Just imagining the warmth of the sun on your cheek, the feel of the cool sand between your toes and fingers, the smell of the ocean air, the feel of the gentle ocean breeze against your skin, and of course, the rhythmic sound of the waves coming in and out as you exhale, in and out, synchronizing your breath with the sounds of nature, the rhythm of life, but the very flow of your blood, the fluid system of your body, all ebbing and flowing with the sound of the ocean. So breathing gently, letting your whole body sink into the earth, sink into the sand, letting all your tensions go. Imagine those waves just washing away your stress, bringing it out to sea where you no longer need it nor can it touch you. So lovely. So you can gently bring yourself back to the space. Take the opportunity to take advantage of whatever natural rhythms are in your environment, be it the natural rhythms of laughter of children in your home, the sounds of birds singing in the tree outside your window. Whatever natural sounds are around you, have it be an opportunity for you to synchronize the rhythms of your breath, of the flow of your body and your mind, and become completely and joyfully emotionally resilient. Thank you for joining me today.